I have been a
Welcome
rich
to
man and I have been a poor man.
Double O
I
Trade.
choose rich every fucking time. When I have to face my problems, I show up in the back of a limo wearing a $2,000 suit and a $40,000 gold fucking watch. You listen to me and you listen well.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So today we're going to be trading live. Actually, it's just a day with me trading live the whole day. So thing is, today is Friday, right? So I woke up, then I had some running trades. So this is just an intro. I had some running trades, so I'm gonna show you everything, every step, and try to break it down in a way that it makes sense. So just tune in and make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, because the grind is not gonna stop. And otherwise, we outside. Ski. And another thing that I wanted to say is like what I don't know. Oh, we actually killed NFP, right? Killed with gold, and I sent some of the signals throughout the week because we traded NFP last week, which is like Friday. So I sent some kind of signals Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Let's make money. Let's make money, guys. This thing is gonna buy. I'm telling you. If it sells, I don't know. I actually haven't analyzed, but I have buys and they're going very well. And we're actually on an uptrend. That's what I know. So I'm gonna check some of the things and tell you guys what kind of money that I made throughout this choppery. Ski. So now we are on gold, guys. This is a 4-hour time frame. And another thing is that where you see this thing is where I entered, right? In which I'm gonna be showing you after this clip on the phone. So I'm holding from this point going further up, and I will also show you guys the signal that I sent on my WhatsApp group, which is a signals group. Yeah, that's it. So guys, today is Friday around 11 a.m. So I took the buy yesterday. As I said, I was looking for price to actually retest as it was making a higher low. So I ended up jumping on the formation of a higher low yesterday. Even though I was late, I'm still holding. Even London session actually pushed, but right now I can see it being more stuck at that zone to even form a double top. We still wait for confirmations until we close our positions, and we're on 2k. Yeah, and we just made our money back that we lost. So I haven't made money for the day, so I kept on losing money and making it back. So right now I'm gonna just increase the lot size after here, basically because I need to make money. So I've just made 20 rands out of all my money that I've deposited on this account. So I'm gonna be taking trades just right after Patino. Otherwise, we're outside. Ski. I entered a buy. Now I'm at 200. Hope you guys. Shout out. So guys, it seems like now we have momentum. Now I'm holding 800 in profit. So it means that I'm almost 1,000 profit today. Still on an uptrend, guys. Still on an uptrend. Thinking of closing. Let me wait for 1,000 then. That was pure greediness. So be aware and learn from that mistake, please. So guys, I took long to look at the charts, but it seems like we've already reached that level. Now we're on 700, so I'll just close 700 now. Yeah, I think that's proper enough because it is my fault. 700. I'm checking the UKJ one, it's 4.7. As I'm editing this video, I'm starting to see that there's a lot of greedy and emotions attached. So that's some of the things that we go through. So please don't repeat the same mistakes. It's my fault. So my profit is 723. I'll try to push this using proper risk. Yeah, I'll try to push it maybe to 2k before the end of the day, so that I don't overtrade and start to lose all this money. So I'll just be analyzing and checking it out. Then I will update you guys if I get a chance to actually be part of this movement. But otherwise, we're outside. So guys, I entered another buy scalp one using breakout. So now we are on 500. So I'm closing this 500 right now. Shit. Damn, you know the problem about this bulk trading? Look how it takes long to close your trades. It was supposed to be a market execution. Damn, bro. Let's go. Watch. See? So now I'm on a profit of 1.2. Taking this to 2k, no cap. Slowly though. Slowly. So shout out guys. I'm gonna show you another clip later on if I then take another trade. But so far it's going bad.
Can't tell you how excited I am. You should be. There's two keys to success in the broker business. Tutski.
So guys, I'm very happy right now. I've reached my target. Let's see how much we are running. We're running 1,000 and a profit of 1,000. I'm closing right now. Should I close? I may close right now. Yes, sir. So as you can see, it took me a day, a few hours actually, to make 2k. But otherwise, we're outside. Let's go ahead and chop gold, guys. Me, my targets are done. I'm done for the day. Even if it buys, can I buy, can I sell? We don't care. We are done, Baba. Decided where good targets. But otherwise, I'm happy. So basically, this day before, I was looking forward for a double bottom, and it occurred. And what I had to do was only to check up for my confirmations before I enter trade. Then it then bought. As you can see, I closed 1 point something profits. 4 hours after, it was around 7. It was still New York session. I had left some trade to run because I saw that we were going on a higher high, so it was completely just making higher highs and higher lows. So it was more of me to leave that trade and run. What a good trade. I managed to close around 3.4, and that's it. So this is the end of the vlog, guys, or the day in the life. I'm really tired, and I'm just gonna say that I'm grateful to actually do good things while people are watching. And another thing is that to whoever's watching this, just keep doing you, and one day it will be true. And never stop. Like I always say, the grind never stops. And the last thing that I can say about the video is that, as you can see, I made 6,132, which is actually a double from the deposit, right? So I'm really grateful, and I just hope this impact a person in a good way. And other than that, we're outside and I would run 2K, and this is the end of the vlog. And what? Ski.
I have been a rich man and I have been a poor man, and I choose rich every fucking time. When I have to face my problems, I show up in the back of a limo wearing a $2,000 suit and a $40,000